Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we will discuss on domain and range. Domain and range is most important concept in function. What is meant by domain and what is meant by range? In a simple word, domain is set of all possible input values that go into the function, and range is set of all possible output values, that is the value come out. If we have function y is equal to f of x, so domain of this function will be the possible values x can take, and range will be the all possible values for y. Maybe something like domain is x and range is y. What is domain of this function and what is range of this function? Domain of this function is all x and range of this function is all y, because this is function will simplify given out the values it takes input x. Instead of saying it doesn't nothing, a better way of saying it will be the function multiply by f of x input gives output value. So therefore domain of this function is all x and range of this function is all y. Second function f of x is equal to x square. What is domain of this function and what is range of this function? Domain of this function is all x and range of this function is greater than equal to 0, because input x can take any value. So range of this function is greater than equal to 0, because square of any number cannot be negative. It is always non-negative number. There are two main constants. First constant is denominator has to be non-zero, and second constant is non-negative. Look at this function f of x is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Can I take x value here? Yes, can take all x but not 1. Domain is function all x except at x is equal to 2. Put 2 here, so 2 minus 2 is 0. So function is undefined. Therefore first constant is denominator has to be non-zero. Second function is f of x is equal to root x minus 3. Can we have negative number within the square root? I don't think we can say. So x minus 3 has to be greater than equal to 0. So x can take value will be x greater than equal to 3. Therefore domain of this function is x greater than 3. So therefore second constant is non-negative. Remembering these two constants, first constant is denominator has to be non-zero. Second constant is non-negative. Consider this function f of x is equal to x square plus 1. What is range of this function? Look at this function x square. Square of any number will be greater than equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So minimum value of this function is 1. So range of this function is greater than equal to 1. Next topic is function. What is meant by function? There are two sets A and B. If there is a rule f which assign every element of A to unique element of B, then each rule f is called function from set A to set B. See here, this is function and this is not function. Why this is function? Assign every element of A to unique element of B. So this is called function. This is not function because not assign every element of A to unique element of B. Element A not assigned to unique element of B. Image of A is F and image of A is G also. So this is not function. Next we have to see type of function. There are four types of function. First one is one function. Second one is onto function. Third one is into function. Fourth one is many one function. See first function. What is one function? If distinct element of domain have a distinct images in the codomain, one map is also called injective. Another definition of one function is f is varies from A to B is said to be one function if and only if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2, or x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2. See here, A is here and B is here. A is domain, set of all possible input values, and see here, B is codomain and set of all output value is called range. So this is one function because distinct element in domain have a distinct images in codomain. So it is called one function, and one function is also called injective function. See here, image of 2 is 3, image of 4 is 1, image of 6 is 2, not images same. So distinct element of domain, it has a distinct images, so it is called one function. Next, see second function, onto function. What is meant by onto function? Function f is varies from a to b is said to be onto if each element of b has at least one pre-image in a. Onto map is also called surjective. Another definition of onto is f is varies from a to b is said to be onto if for x belongs to b, there exists y belongs to a, such that f of y is equal to x. So it is called onto function. See here, it is onto function and it is not onto function because every element in B has a pre-images. Pre-image of 1 is 4, pre-image of 2 is 6, and pre-image of 3 is 2. So every element in B has a pre-image. It is called onto function, but it is not onto function because every element in B has no pre-images in A. That is, pre-image of 4 has no pre-images in A. So it is not onto function. Next function is into function. What is into function? A function f is varies from a to b is said to be into if there exists a element in b which does not have pre-image in a. That is, the function is not onto. So it is called into function. Is not onto, it is into function. See here, it is into function. What is meant by into function? If there exists an element in B which does not have pre-images in A. So there exists element is 4 which does not have pre-images in A. So it is called into function. Means it is not onto function. Next, many one function. What is meant by many one function? Function f is varies from a to b is said to be many one function if there are at least two elements in A which have the same images in B. So function that is not one. So it is said to be many one function. See here, this is many one function that is not one. What is meant by many one? There are at least two elements in A have a same images in B. There are at least two elements mean element A, element 2 have a same images. So image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 3. So it is many one function, that is not one. Thank you listening to me.